This video is going to cover how to add another section on the home page. This is a little finicky because you got to really make sure this has already been kind of pre-designed for you, but so you have an understanding of how easy it is to do. First of all, make sure that you're logged in. Once again, wp-admin after the URL, username and password. You'll be then at the dashboard. I then once again like to have a secondary tab open with the site live, because now we can go ahead and click edit on the page that we want to. So today is the home page. I'm going to click edit. Now here is the home page and here is the builder behind it. So you'll notice it looks a little weird on this end because this is the actual back admin, but what you see here is exactly what's going on right after the Revolution slider. So the first thing that's going to be editable on the home page is this section, and you'll notice right here is where all those things are. So the title and the numbers are all here. So this is all can be edited. And the same thing goes on as far as testimonials. That's directly underneath there. That's here. By clicking on this little, all the cell elements will always have a pencil. So then you click here. But for today, you want to add an area. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the bottom and hit the plus sign. Then the most important thing you always have to remember is that when adding something to any page, you're always going to want a row. This row now is then created, and then this row allows you to say, well, what do you want to put in this row? So now that you've clicked on this, you can hit this plus sign. You can scroll through here, look for what you want to add, and or you can type it in. So in this case, let's just say it's text. So then I would click text, and there you're going to have your opportunity to adding your text, adding some media inside it, hit save changes, and then immediately you can hit update and or preview. So if you hit preview, it will allow you to see what this would look like without it going 100% live yet, and you'll notice that is probably white text, so not showing up right now. So it takes a little bit of trial and error, but you'll see how the easeability. So there's the text. Now it just requires, changing the actual text color, etc. And or you can now drag and drop these areas into the place that you want. Also, a cool thing that you can do is if you're looking at your website and you see an area that you like that you want to just replicate. So for instance, let's just say you like this whole section and you want to add something and you don't want to have to create it from scratch. Well, you can go to your back admin area and look for that. And I'm trying to get rid of this for you now. That's for the tutorial. Here are your hover boxes. You kind of have to use your visual basis of looking at the site and finding out where it was, but the hover boxes are what controls this. So what's really neat, you can at any point hit the copy page right here, and it will actually copy this exact element, and you can then have two sections that are similar and then move them so they're not right on top of each other. So it's pretty neat. But that's how to add a section to the home page.